MMI Holdings, interesting one. Centurion-based these days. Financial services, of course, because it was formed from the merger of Metropolitan and Momentum, right? That's where the MMI comes from. 32 billion rand market cap, so certainly not a small player. And what does one think of it now? Well, it's all about the combination of those two entities and to the extent they can extract cost savings and the likes from it. Wilhelm, your sense of how these chaps are doing in the marketplace?
I think they're doing reasonably well. I think, firstly, talking about the merger, they seem to have pulled off that rare feat of actually getting a merger done on time, as planned, and getting the cost savings going that they thought they could at the start. And that's quite rare. I think the experience is typically that mergers go less well than one would hope. There seems to have been an exception to that. And they do, as you mentioned, cover the spectrum of clients quite nicely these days, with Metropolitan very strong in the low income space, Momentum better in the high income space, but there is a gap in the middle income space. They're looking to address that, and there does seem to be a nice opportunity there for them to grow into that space.
Okay, and now we need to go to hot or not. I just also want you to comment on why we saw such a massive swing in their share price. I suppose, kind of people getting an idea of what they could make. Bit of a downturn after a trading update. Where are you with regard to the current price, though? Does it look attractive at the current price?
It's at the current price, it's not particularly cheap. Our clients do own a small position, but it's not particularly attractively priced. As I said, many of the stocks in this sector are. So what caused the big price swings? Not quite sure. I think there was maybe a feeling that long-term insurance businesses, specifically those focused on the lower end, are a nice proxy for emerging market consumer spend and capturing some of that growth which was expected to be forthcoming. But I think Momentum's or MMI's recent trading results indicated that it is a tough space actually at the moment, and is not all sort of all happy days in that area.
Okay, so we're going with not hot on that one for the moment, correct?
That's right.